Ah, so this is what you were after. You smelled the other dogs.
Yes, little girl. This is the yearly dog agility course. Your pet can join too.
Ooh, let's compete, Morphle.
Aw, come on, Sammy. You can win this race.
Hey, Builder Lawrence, what's wrong?
My little Sammy doesn't want to do this race anymore because the big dogs are being mean to her. Poor Sammy. Good job, Barky.
Don't be scared. Morphle isn't mean. Look. That's it, Morphle. Let's play with Sammy so she doesn't think you are scary anymore. Hey, guys, that was our ball. Can we have it back?
Is it? Well, finders keepers. If you really want to have it back, then why don't you try taking it?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex.
Ah!
Are all doggies ready? 5.
We are late, Morphle,
4.
but there's still a chance Sammy can win.
3. 2. 1. Go!
Good job, Barky. Oh, no.
Give them a dose of their own medicine, Morphle.
Oh, ho, ho, hooray! You did it!
The award goes to this little one who beat the biggest of participants.